Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where we turn tech tricks into fun, simple hacks. Today, we've got 5 apps you must install on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Give your photos a glow up and help you find your lost devices. Whether you are into enhancing your pictures, adding a little music layer, or improving your camera game, these tips are for you. Let us dive in. Here's an overview of what we will cover. 1. Galaxy Enhance X, exclusive to Samsung Galaxy phones. 2. Muzi Edge, available for all phones. 3. Samsung Find. 4. Camera Assistant, exclusive to Samsung Galaxy phones. 5. Voice Recorder, available for all phones. Let us dive right in. 1. Galaxy Enhance X, exclusive to Samsung Galaxy phones. Want to take your photos from meh to magnificent? Galaxy Enhance X is here to help. Install Galaxy Enhance X from the Samsung Galaxy Store. Grant access to your photos. Choose the photo you want to enhance and apply options like HDR, removing shadows, or even turning it into a time-lapse video. Say goodbye to blurry photos and shadows. With this, you can make your photos pop and shine like a pro. Number 2. Muzi Edge, available for all phones. If you love a little extra style, Muzi Edge adds some visual flair to your phone while you jam to your favorite music. Download Muzi Edge from the Google Play Store. Set up permissions and apply edge lighting effects to your music apps. Enjoy the stunning visual effects that dance with your tunes. It is like turning your phone into a mini light show, because your music deserves a visual performance too. Number 3. Samsung Find. Ever misplace your phone, or worse, have it stolen? Samsung Find helps you track it down in no time. Install Samsung Find from the Google Play Store. Use the app to track the location of your Samsung devices on a map. Don't panic next time you can't find your phone. Let Samsung Find come to the rescue and save the day. 4. Camera Assistant, exclusive to Samsung Galaxy phones. Samsung's Camera Assistant is your new best friend for snapping pictures and shooting videos like a pro. Download Camera Assistant from the Galaxy Store. Go into your camera settings and enable features like Auto HDR, focus prioritization, picture softening, and quick tap shutter. Unlock pro-level photo and video features and capture your moments like a photographer in the making. 5. Voice Recorder, available for all phones. Need to record quick notes or voice memos? The Voice Recorder app is perfect for that. Install Voice Recorder from the Galaxy Store. Go to Settings, Lock Screen, Widgets, and enable the Voice Recorder widget. Access it directly from the lock screen to start recording quickly. Now you can record your thoughts on the go without unlocking your phone. It is like having a personal assistant in your pocket. And there you have it. These 5 Samsung apps and features will take your phone experience to the next level. Whether you are enhancing photos, adding fun effects, or making life easier with a lost device tracker, these tricks will make your phone smarter and more fun to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, where we will explore more ways to upgrade your tech game. Until then, happy exploring, my friends. Bye for now.